this shit sits way lower now, huh? That's crazy. Must be nice to have a roll cage. Full roll cage. Oh, no passenger? Yeah, I bought the Mustang and the GTR out today. I literally had my car detailed like maybe 3 days ago. How are my wheels already brown? Full of brake dust. You cannot keep wheels clean on a GTR. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. As you guys saw, we just filled up on 85.
In about 5 miles from current location.
High wind warning. Anyways, we're heading to this car meet today. I had to fill up on 85 right now. We got the homie Jordan with us. Look at this dude. Bro, I've never seen that in my life. Oh my god, bro, he's flying. But yeah, guys, about to head to this little car event today. There's like a bunch of car events going on today, but we're gonna head to this one because the homie Amza's pulling up with his Widebody M3. We got Jordan and the Mustang, and I think a couple more homies. I think the homie Mark and his Lambo's going, so it's gonna be pretty sick. But we're gonna head there right now. Hopefully we get some good content and make a vlog for you guys. If you guys are not already, please hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button as well. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate all the love and support lately. Even though I've been slacking on the vlogs, I've been doing a horrible job vlogging and posting, but we gotta get into the rhythm again and start posting more videos. Alright guys, we made it to this little car meet, and look at the first thing I see as soon as I get out. Oh my god, bro. R34 GTR. I think I've seen this one before, but wow, bro, it's so freaking sick. Oh, someone's revving it. Damn, this thing's clean too. Woo! There's some sick ass cars here. It's not like the biggest meet, but there's some really badass cars. Like, look at that, bro. That shit sounds crazy. Bro, there's a lot of sick cars here. What the fuck is that?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Dude, there's some clean ass cars here. Like, just clean. We got that monster truck over there. And then the homie Hamza's E92. Are we wrapping it or what?
When are we wrapping it?
What color, bro? Guys, what color would you wrap this? I would do it red with everything else red.
Yeah, right.
Red on red on red on red. Guys, look, Sam pulled up in the E30. I love the new wheel setup, bro. That shit looks so much better. We got an E46 M3, M4. This thing is sick, bro. Look how slammed it is, dude. This Porsche is insane. Full roll cage. It sounds insane, bro. Bro, this shit is so freaking loud. Jeez, bro. Imagine a full throttle. He's barely stepping on it right now. Recaro seats, full roll cage. We got Mark's Huracan here. The freaking sickest Huracan in the world. Twin turbo, full titanium exhaust and everything. I freaking love Mark's Lambo, bro. Look at this. This is legit goals. Like, if I had unlimited money, I would build this car exactly like this. Same color, same wheels, twin turbo, everything, bro. That's also his NSX. And look at all this titanium he has. Titanium everywhere. Oh my god. I'm sure you guys remember this. So nice, bro, in black. Just black with BBS wheels, that's it. It's so nice. Oh yeah, there's some crazy cars here. The exhaust just looks so crazy from the back. Look how colorful it is, bro. One of my favorite builds, honestly, but my favorite Huracan of all time, bro. I think he said it makes like 1,300 horsepower. The homie's Porsche on BBS. Look at this lineup though, bro. Damn, a bag Tesla?
Oh, you got my old wheel colors, bro.
Oh, that is your old wheel setup.
Making me miss my old shit.
Damn, dude, those wheels are hard. BBSs. Everyone's on BBSs or what? NTEs? The Shakir Orange F80 that I love. I freaking love that color. We got a little S15. Sheesh. I love those too. So yeah, guys, this car meet was pretty sick. It's nice because there's a bunch of dope builds. Like, every build here is super freaking clean, as you guys can tell. Like, what the heck, bro? These are all the cars you see on like Instagram and stuff. You like that one or what?
The
The wheels are pretty sick.
The wheels in the back. Nice.
Another black GTR with some different wheels. That's 2000. Damn, that shit is sick. This thing is beautiful, bro. This shit is so nice.
You take this on your GTR?
Gee, I don't know. I might have to,
Red?
bro. I lucky like the white. Look at that. Red will be
I'm gonna
sick
imagine red
too.
with polished wheels.
That'd
Polished
be
tees.
crazy.
It's the only Nissan I actually like.
That's the only Nissan he likes. This is an R34.
Yeah,
This? What? I don't know. That'd be a hard choice. Every car here is so nice, dude. It's crazy. Damn, this thing is crazy all black. That steering wheel. It's like a full ass video game driving it. That thing is sick. Guys, look at this Tesla. This is the most sickest Tesla I've ever seen. He has the same wheels as my GTR actually, but look at the fitment, bro. This makes me want to get a Tesla. The perfect daily right here. It looks so sick. We're leaving this meet. We're about to head to another car meet that's like 10 minutes away. Hopefully catch that one before it ends. I heard there's a lot of people at that one. Guys, Sam made his car even faster now. He's literally spitting on the freeway, bro. Alright guys, we made it. Car meet number 2. It's in a parking garage. Looks like a lot of people are leaving. I think it ends at 7 and it's already 5:30, so pretty much coming for the end, but we'll see. Alright, we made it to the rooftop finally. This place looks crazy. I see so many people leaving already, but better late than never, huh? Look at the GTR, bro. It looks so freaking good, dude. All black. We got R8, McLaren, Sam Z30. There's so many cars out here. Damn, guys, look at this. We got Fresh Kicks GTR, Snooge's Lambo. Sick. Oh, 2 car meets in one day. Dude, the Lambo looks sick in that color. I told you guys, I actually thought about wrapping my car this color once. A long time ago, I wanted to wrap the E92 this color. The homie's M6. This thing is crazy. LS Swap 350Z. Oh my god, bro. I want to LS swap my E92, guys. It'll be so sick. Guys, look at this thing. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. It's really dark, but we got 2 R32s here. You can barely see. But yeah, that's sick. 2 R32s. Look at this GTR. Full wide body Phantom kit GTR. I've seen this one a couple of times too. All over Jordan. I guess this GTR shoots huge flames. We're about to see it. God, bro. Poor turbos. Oh my god. Guys, this shit was crazy, dude. Oh my god. The exhaust was legit red, dude. Like, that's insane. I feel like my car could do it if I really wanted to, but I don't know. I feel bad for the turbos. I don't want to mess my GTR up like that. But yeah, that was sick. My car, I don't know. I can keep up with that. They wanted to do a little rev battle, but I don't think my car will shoot that many planes.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.